Y'all can't handle this. Y'all don't know what's about to happen, baby. Team 10, Los Angeles, Cali boy. But I'm from Ohio, though, white boy.
England is my city. It's every day, bro. England is my city. Oh, with the Disney Channel. England is my city. Oh, 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months. Never done before. Past all the competition, man. PewDiePie is next. England is my city. Man, I'm popping all these checks. Got the brand new Rolex. And then met the Lambo too. And they're coming with the crew. This is Team 10, bitch. Who the hell I'm flipping you? England is my city. And you know I kick them out if they ain't with the crew. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You begging for attention. Talking shit on Twitter too. But you still hit my phone last night. It was 4:52 and I got the text approved. England is my city. And all the recordings too. England is my city. Don't make me tell them the truth. And I just dropped some new merch. And it's selling like a god church. England is my city. Ohio's where I'm from. We chew them like it's gum. England is my city. We shooting with the gun. The tattoo just for fun. England is my city. I Usain Bolt and run. England is my city. Catch me at game 1. I cannot be outdone. Jake Paul is #1. England is my city. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said it's every day, bro. You know it's Nick Crumpton and my callers stay poppin'. Yes, I can rap and no, I'm not from Compton. England is my city. 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 And if it weren't for Team 10, then the US would be shitty. I'll pass it to Chance, cause you know he stay litty. England is my city.
2 months ago you didn't know my name, and now you want my fame? Bitch, I'm blowing up, I'm only going up. Now I'm going off, I'm never falling off like Mag who? DG who are you? All these beats I just ran through, hit $1 million a month, where were you? Hating on me back in West, fake, you need to get your shit straight. Jakey brought me to the top, now we really popping off. #1 and #4, that's why these fans all at our door. It's lonely at the top, so we all going. We left Ohio, now the trio's all rolling. It's Team 10, bitch, we back again, always first, never last. We the future, we'll see you in the
It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said it's every day, bro.
Hold on. Can we switch the language?
England is my city, bitch.
We better hit it.
England is my city.
Lo único que quiero es dinero.